What's good everybody? So may bago tayong reaction for SB19. Ito yung gustong gusto kong i-react kasi sabi ninyo na full performance, like performance level, and it's not the usual na parang featured performance sa Wish because lumabas talaga sila ng bus. Like, they performed outside the bus with all the props and the dancers as well. Diba kasi, nung nag-react ako sa Dam, diba sabi ko, uy, may mga dancers sa labas. So, pasensya, nabubulol ako. May mga dancers sa labas. Sabi nyo, yung doon ka, i-react mo kasi sumayaw talaga sila sa labas ng bus. So, that's why I'm very excited. So, if bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe. You can also follow me on Facebook and TikTok and on Instagram. Okay? So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go! Daming tao, parang concert. What? Tingnan nyo, ibang klase. Grabe, ibang klase. This is just only a Wish performance. Only lang kasi hindi naman to konsyerto, 'di ba? But look at the crowd, man. Ayan, no? Imagine, sinet-upan talaga sila ng stage, no, na incorporated sa sa bus. Grabe. Ibang klase yung Wish. Bro, I just can't contain my overwhelming emotion. Ito pa lang, na-excite na ako no? It's just amazing. Amazing, man. Grabe yung crowd. Look at it. Grabe. With the audience, participation. Hey. Ayan, yung mga dancers, nasa baba. Grabe. Dito sa bahay ko, bawal ang magulo. Ang aabutin mo, palo. Grabe. Alam niyo yung parang nakakapag-chill, or it looks so chill despite the crowd, despite the energy. Nakaka-chill sila tingnan dahil sa water gun. Yung parang lang sila, they're just enjoying the moment, diba? Still, man. Grabe, ang ganda ng setup na to. I assume, kasi meron akong ganitong camera, I assume this is a camera, Insta360 na X5. Kasi ang ganda ng low light enhancement ng X5. I have the X5. And yung sigurong drone, I think dahil sa movement niya, I would say that's Avatar, no? If I'm not mistaken, Avatar 2 or something like that. But yeah, ang ganda ng ng production na to. Very unique, and yung SB19 lang yung nakapagganito sa Wish, ah. Okay, nakita ko nga. Insta360 nga. Tiningnan ko yung edge, yung corner na kung saan naka-set up to. Okay. Ganda. Grabe. Ang galing, ang galing nung production, ang galing nung drone pilot. Tsaka saan ba to, sa BGC? Parang BGC ata to eh. Ayun yung drone, no? Kita-kita. Galing? Grabe talaga si Stel, man. Grabe. Like, grabe. Woo! Grabe. Beat that. Beat that.
Pwede mo bilang kung tatlo, sabay-sabay tayo sumigaw na Thank you, Wish Boss! In 3, 2, 1!
Woo!
Maraming salamat, Eugene!
Galing. Like, super galing. Sobrang galing. Napaka-wow ng production. Kudos to Wish 107.5 Boss for this production. Ang galing. Suwabe, nakaka-hype. It's very unique, no? And talagang bumagay yung production nyo sa boys, no? Kung anong klaseng artist sila, no? Grabe. So I think both the management ng Wish and SB19 can benefit from this kasi ibang klaseng production. It may look simple sa ibang mga production team, no? Like an org that produces concerts or performances, but the thing is ginawa nila ito sa Wish Boss and it's very unique. Kasi 'di ba pagka na-featured ka sa Wish, the most common setup is ando ka lang sa bus, but look at them. Grabe, parang nag-concert. Extended, no? Extended yung concert na pa-free concert. If I'm not mistaken, this is free concert, free viewing. Okay, para sa mga audience na pumunta. And it's definitely one for the books. Grabe. Ang galing. So yeah, that's it. And abangan nyo, magre-react tayo sa San Francisco na performances, okay? Nakita ko kanina yung mga recommended videos ni YouTube sa akin. So alam niya talaga na I'm planning na gumawa ng reaction para sa SB19. Okay? So that's it. And hope you guys enjoy the one. Peace out, everybody. Much love. Stay safe and God bless you all. Peace. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay? Bye.